We're coming to you now from the Tuxedo Kia, and I almost am forgetting to do this, so that's why I'm doing it like this right now. I just remembered, and I will update the links in the description and everything later tonight, but I needed to get this video out for you guys. I have a radio show guest this Saturday, and it's going to be Cesar Enriquez. He is the tuner at Horsepower Factory in Texas, Houston, Texas, and he does a lot of crazy high horsepower stock bottom end stuff, and super knowledgeable tuner, and I definitely wanted to have him on for a while now and just go over a bunch of things. Tons of traffic here, so it'll be awesome to talk to him. And if you guys want to look them up, I want to put their Facebook linked. I believe they have a website, and I think they were uploading some videos at one point, so I can get you their YouTube link also. And we can ask them all the questions that you guys might have, and about making the most power on stock bottom ends. He's been posting up, we started calling him Cesar 1K Enriquez, because everything he's been doing lately makes like 1,005 or 1,200, or just over 1,000, or somewhere in that 10 to 1,200 horsepower range. We laugh about it, but it's true. So he's good with Holly, he's good with stock computer, and he might be good at a bunch of other ones. I'm not sure. So that's that, and hope to see you guys Saturday night at 8. And that's it, pretty much. Just wanted to get that out there. Poor guy, we tried to get him in like last 2 Saturdays, I think, and just it was not lining up. I had too much garbage going on, and this Saturday we're definitely going to put him on. Okay, thanks, bye.